Alright, so I have in front of me right now a locomotive that I've been wanting to get for a long time. This is an Athearn Genesis Seaboard System SD45-2, number 2057. And as you see right here, it says with sound. Woohoo! Now you're probably thinking to yourself that it's an MRC decoder because of the yellow box. And I hate to break it to you, but it is. However, I literally do not have a single complaint about the MRC decoder, especially because if you look at the price, I paid $84 for it, plus tax or whatever. So, awesome locomotive. I have no complaints with the sound whatsoever, and just the prime mover sound, it's in general, sound really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little demo here of the sounds. And to turn the locomotive on in analog DC, basically what you do is you set the throttle to approximately 30 to 35. You turn it on, it starts up, and then you can go from there. So I'm going to turn it on and give you a demo of the sound. After the locomotive starts up, obviously you can see the headlight goes on, which another favorite feature of mine about this model is that it features the nose light as opposed to the more common cab light. So if you put it from 35 to 40, it goes into high idle. So that's high idle, and then I'll just start running from here. Got the sound of the RS5T. So you kind of use the brake there to stop it, so it's going to wind the engine back down to high idle. So now I'm going to back up. So right here, basically, I'm using the momentum switch because I think I don't know, it's kind of cool to switch with that especially. So if I take that off, it'll go back to high idle, or possibly low idle. So I'm going to put the direction back to forward momentum on, and if I just go full throttle, it'll slowly start to increase. It runs a lot smoother on DCC. I took it to a friend's house and ran it all night, and it was really nice. So if I take momentum off, it'll stop the locomotive, turn the bell off, and for the price, like I said, can't beat this locomotive. I recommend getting an MRC sound decoder for anyone, especially if the price is right. Everyone says Tsunami's better. I can't not agree that they are better, but I think MRC is underrated. I think they're just as good. I really like them. So that's this locomotive. Excellent detail. Every aspect about it I like. So I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll have more to come in the future of this locomotive.